Listen, I didn't spend years as a nuclear power electrician and nearly 2 decades in the HVAC trenches to give you a sales pitch. I'm here to give you the field-tested truth. When you're looking at ductless mini splits, the name on the cabinet matters less than what's inside it. Today, we're putting two heavyweights head-to-head, the Armstrong Air 4DHP2 series and the Bryant Evolution series 37M PRA. Both of these sit in my ultimate tier, but they aren't built the same. In the ductless world, we aren't worried about heavy louvered panels. We're looking at chassis durability and how well that coil is going to hold up against the elements. Armstrong Air's 4DHP2 comes out of the gate with a solid build and a coated coil designed to fight off corrosion. But Bryant's Evolution units are built like tanks, featuring heavy gauge galvanized steel and 100% coverage baked enamel finish. If you're living near the coast or in a high moisture area, that extra layer of protection on the Bryant cabinet is a serious field advantage. Now, let's talk about the power bill. Both of these units use inverter-driven variable speed compressors. Instead of slamming on and off like a traditional unit, they sip electricity by modulating their speed to match exactly what your room needs. But when it comes to raw numbers, Bryant takes the lead. The Bryant Evolution 37M MPRA hits an incredible 35.1 SEER2. Armstrong's 4DHP2 is no slouch at 25.5 SEER2, but Bryant is effectively the gold standard for squeezing every bit of cooling out of a watt of power. Before we get to the warranty battle, I want to hear from you. Are you trying to cool a garage, a sunroom, or that one hot zone in your house that your central air just can't reach? Drop a comment below. This is where the rubber meets the road for your wallet. Armstrong Air offers a 5-year parts and 7-year compressor warranty. In this ultimate tier, that's actually a bit lean. Bryant, on the other hand, gives you a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. Plus, Bryant has their Red Shield program. If a major component fails, they offer a 10-year unit replacement pledge, as long as you register within 90 days. In my book, a full unit replacement beats a parts-only deal every single day of the week. The verdict? While the Armstrong Air 4DHP2 is a reliable, high-tech piece of equipment, the Bryant Evolution 37M PRA is the winner here. With a significantly higher SEER2 rating of 35.1 and a superior 10-year unit replacement warranty, Bryant offers more long-term value for a permanent home installation. Don't just take my word for it. Head over to the website and use our head-to-head tool to compare these models side by side with over 240 other units. Hit that subscribe button for more field-tested advice. I'm the HVAC repair guy, and I'll see you on the next service call.